is that break over there?
4.5 minutes. I get another 30 seconds. Be there once I finish this one side. I got 2 more stickers to put in and then I'll be right there, okay?
Yeah, these guys are really getting into it. Wait a minute, that's our side bridge.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it intact. We just gotta get all the shit off it.
Yeah, I hear you. Can't believe how fast this shit grew. What's up, Pop? Garbage. What the hell she was hanging out of that for?
Shatter. Oh, could we utilize this half too?
I don't see why not.
Okay,
We started it already once.
what I'm thinking is we'll come in with an easy track this way to get used to the trail, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And we'll start amping it up with some harder stuff on this side here.
I leave it in your hands.
Alright, sounds good.
Look at you guys. Show them you're a tiger. Show them what you can do.
Frosted Flakes?
The taste of Frosted Flakes brings out the tiger in you. They're great. Sticks.
And more sticks.
And some more sticks.
We're gonna be seeing a lot
Flowers. Take a look at my wife's garden. This in here. All of that perimeter is off limits. She said we can drive in and out of there, but you know, I don't know if I trust myself.
What's one daisy every once in a while, huh?
She doesn't grow daisies.
Whatever the hell she grows. Yeah, it's irrelevant. Back down to the rocks.
Rocks, see? Look at the rocks, see?
You want this stuff along the fence?
No.
Take the fence.
That's just this old, overgrown morning glories. Shit takes hold and holy crap. 3 weeks ago when Greg was here, none of this shit was here.
It's all stuck to the fence like glue.
Yeah, no shit. Holds better than Devonder.
I'm sorry about that, Phil.
Hey, we made it work.
Lesson learned.
Yeah. Man, clean your goddamn counter. Wow. What a difference. Look at that.
Slowly come.
The Howlin' Wolf RC team, primarily right now, just Jake.
Usually how it works. Everybody's just like, I don't want to work. And
Jake hasn't figured out how the union works yet. 4 guys on a crew, 1 guy works, 3 guys standing around having coffee.
all right.
That's the Chicago way. Greetings from Chicago, by the way. Looking really good. So what are your plans for this?
Well, I'm thinking.
Talk to me. Talk to the audience.
Let's get it all leveled. This side, so that when it rains, we ain't got no mud building up and holes and other junk. And then we'll start off easy. Piece of shit. We'll start off.
Piece of bleep.
We'll start off easy. Some probably just all like logs on this end, and then we'll get real to the high hard stuff on this side because we got more room. Incorporate some sort of bridge eventually in here.
You might want to use that earth mover right there because be a little
Is
faster.
there a remote control for that?
I wish. You can get on your hands and knees and do it. Take you back to your 6 years old, you know. There's
Yeah.
rocks in there too, so.
Yeah, I gotta dig to them.
You can call Greg later and tell him thanks. Yeah. It was the damnedest thing.
Check up another 25, see how it is.
Nice. You know, work fascinates me. I can sit and watch it for hours.
You can't do it.
Won't do it.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, I'm the one who actually made this mess for you to start with.
No, that was me and Gordon.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. It was you and Greg.
Yeah, you should be the one doing it.
No,
I'm a nice guy.
it's exhausting. Actually, I think it was you that actually pushed for this.
It was me that pushed for this.
You and Douglas.
Why keep traveling somewhere to go?
Right,
Crawl.
yeah, especially if you can make
Now,
a place
if
in
I got
the
in
house.
my backyard,
Yeah, right.
do what I want,
Right.
when I want.
So
Come
when
out
we
here naked at the middle of the night
so
and start crawling.
when are we coming to your house and making one too?
When my dad gives up the garden.
Yeah. Well,
Which will
so
be,
fall. Oh. Your dad's a gardener?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Because the stepmom makes them.
Oh, what does he plant?
Every vegetable and
Nice.
face of the earth.
But he's good at it then.
Oh yeah, we have so many tomatoes right now, it's not even funny.
Yeah, good harvest.
Great harvest.
Good. He's probably giving them away.
Oh yeah, by bag loads.
Yeah.
Planted like 4 or 5 tomato plants. I'm telling you, we easily got over 300 tomatoes.
Wow.
Easy. It's easy.
Nice. How about those cucumbers?
If we can get them before squirrels get to them, and
Are the lady neighbors jumping the yard and grabbing them and running off with them? I know they had a problem with the new guinea beans over there. Wow, look at all that nice soil. Why don't you guys just make some rows and we'll start planting? Look at all that shit they dug out of there.
Yeah, ramp was buried. Another one of Greg's inventions.
Both of those ramps were buried, weren't they?
Yeah.
You gonna put them to use?
We'll see. Gotta see how the track lays out.
Well, I'm letting you guys do all that.
Well, we're gonna need your input. So.
Doing a nice job, guys. There's my input there, eh?
See?
Hey, that's homage to our friends up in Canada.
RC Sparks.
GCM.
Hey, man. I got me this here new Bronco, and seems to look pretty good out of the box. But we're gonna put some upgrades in it. Be back in a second.
Nice.
All right, Doug. Take some racks now. We're gonna come on. Make the that bridge, eh?
Hey.
Hey, bring that bridge on over, eh? Yeah.
We got another log bridge, eh?
Hey, log bridge, man. Hey.
This is our sidewall that we built earlier. Well, earlier in the season. Heads up, Douglas. Move that red ram. Watch my radio. There, you're clear. Oh, yeah, baby.
Now we just need to cut this log off.
I'm seeing it.
Right here.
I'm feeling it. Okay, so now walk us through the track, Jake.
Well, how about I drive you through the track?
Oh, okay, it sounds
Or the camera,
wonderful.
how about that?
Sounds great.
And enter over here.
Let me follow you.
Nice tight track here, so you learn. Take
Yeah.
it slow.
Well, with a Viterra you get 45 degrees of steering, so that's a bonus already.
All about tire placement here.
Yeah,
As you can
I
see,
want
this
to
is
see if I
way
can get a
taller.
really nice...
Come in from this angle, maybe we
Yeah.
get some light on it, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
See how this rock's a lot taller than this one?
Yes.
It's all about tire placement at this point. Up.
Now you
That
got it.
angle.
I think you got
There's
it.
the articulation kicking in.
Slow. Low and slow like ribs, baby. That's a very steep descent there. Looking
Easy on your
good.
toes.
Looking good. Careful.
Just edit that part out.
No. We'll let them know because that's part of
Yeah,
learning your track. Yeah.
Can I one for it really quick?
All right. Shall I get a different angle this time?
Can I one for it?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna keep going
Are
here.
you going to the
You
sidewall?
have some sort of hand saws?
Hey, you going to the sidewall?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then down into the... Well, you can't go to the tunnel because you got a big old stick there.
Oh, yeah. Good point. Yeah. Oh.
So that stick, I think he wants to cut off. How about getting up on the ramp first? Use those tire replacement. There you go. Slow, slow. And there's your tunnel you'll go through. So you'll have to start coming a little wider.
Can.
Yeah, we're just going over.
Making sure everything works.
Yeah, hold on. This is their progress so far. I'm gonna walk you through it real quick. Sorry, Jake. This is the trailhead right here. Come around. Come around. This is kind of a very tight turn. So if your vehicle has 45-degree turning, well, you're going to fare better than a 35-degree vehicle. You have to come up the rocks, over the stone bridge, which we're using a couple pieces of heavy sandstone here, supported by more stone. A very steep descent. A very hairy part of the course and a tight turn.
A lot of tire swallowing holes there.
Yes, very axle eating over there. It's all going to be about tire placement here. Taking your time. Onto the
wooden bridge.
The wooden bridge.
Sidewall.
Down, 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 down. Into the tunnel. Under the bridge. Out. Exiting to go over another stone log bridge to get to another part of the course over here.
Which will be finished tomorrow morning.
Yeah, so Jake's going to take you through what we have so far using the Viterra here. Not that that's his vehicle of choice, but it's the one that we have here right now.
Show them the vehicle of choice.
This is Jake's vehicle of choice here, which is the SCX-10 front battery Dodge Ram.
Alright, let's go through here.
Alright, trailhead's there.
This course started off for easy to hard, as you can see. Go up on it easy up on it very easy. Over the Ripley logs here. This 45-degree turning really does help, let me tell you.
And all of a sudden it's very hairy here.
See, but we made it so it looks easy on the up top here, but as soon as you get here, it's all about tire placement. The whole way across the top of the bridge is going to be all about tire placement from there on as soon as we get to the top. As you can see right about now.
Gonna want that left tire.
Actually, something fell here because
I believe it's this guy
was
had
here,
slidden down.
and it was supposed to be there. Is what happened.
But the key on this, getting up on this bridge, is gonna be that left tire.
No bite.
The little dirt nose tires. And then you have to turn it back to the left immediately. Stop there. Get a different vantage point here. Very steep. Take her nice and slow. Minding your tire placement so you don't get diff hang. A lot of axle eating holes over there too, so take it slow. Now this is a hairy transition too from the stone to the wood. Little diff hang. Once you're up, it's pretty good. And then you could have that happen, which is kind of cool also. Want to finish your...
Right. Quick reset. Once again, you know, it's all about practice on your home.
Yeah, well, I have already
What
had
it is.
3 of these here, you know.
A little bit here.
And then down through the tunnel, which I think is my favorite part. Nice. I think that's my favorite part. Well, isn't at nighttime when the lights are coming through the other side, it looks really cool.
It does.
And the whole, this looks ancient. This looks like ancient ruins. It looks really cool. So yeah,
That's
guys,
really
move
tough.
in. We'll keep you updated on what's going on here.
Absolutely. Tomorrow morning, get it going again.
So from Kevin, Jake, Douglas, good night.